Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete only one photo out of the multiple photos in your carousel post on Instagram. It is very easy guys, very simple. You know how sometimes you add multiple images and sometimes you select the wrong image alongside the right ones. So let me show you how this actually works. When we launch the Instagram app, we have to find the carousel post that we previously published. For example, if you look at this post over here, we currently have three images that are from the actual John Wick 5 chapter movie, okay? This is the main character over here. So, let's say we want to delete the middle one because it's not saturated, right, as this one. So all we gotta do in this particular situation is to click on the three dots on the upper right, and then you want to scroll down to the section and simply click delete. This is how you can only delete the image that is part of the carousel post and not all of them. Remember, you can click edit, right, in this example, and you will have an option to swipe in between. So when we're in edit mode, you will be able to manually select and pick which one do you want to delete and which one you don't want to delete, okay? This is how simple it is. This is how easy it actually to create these individual settings. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.